after the province of Perm, USSR, where these rocks were first studied, the Permian time period.
The Permian time period lasted from 299 to 251 million years ago and was the last period of the Paleozoic era.
During the Permian time period, a supercontinent formed known as Pangaea, where Earth's crustal plates brought the continents Gondwana and Euramerica together.
Pangaea was shaped like the letter C, which stretched from the north to the south pole. The rest of the area was taken up by water.
The continents that made up Pangaea were North America, South America, Eurasia, Africa, Antarctica, and Australia.
The oceans were the Panthalastic Ocean, Paleotethys Ocean, and Tethys Ocean.
Erie was above water and it was in an ancient forest during Permian time.
The Great Lakes and Appalachians were modern land masses during this time.
The climate during Permian time was presented with severe extremes of climate.
The south was cold, with much of the region frozen under ice caps.
Northern areas suffered from intense heat and seasonal changes between wet and dry conditions.
Therps, heptarchids, and lice were dominant groups of insects. Bugs evolved with mouth parts for piercings and sucking plant material during the Permian time.
The giant swamp forests of the Carboniferous began to dry out, so the mossy plants that depended on spore for reproduction were being replaced by the first seed plants.
There was not much known about the very large Panthalastic Ocean. Ammonites and brachiopods were common. Sharks and rays continued in abundance.
People can visit volcanoes and see eruptions, and they also can go see oceans to fish.
The animal of the week is the Dimetrodon. It is a dominant carnivore and is one of the largest carnivores during that time period.
The Dimetrodon was discovered about 280 million years ago. It is an ancestor of the mammal and has both reptile and mammal-like characteristics.
It was on top of the food chain in earlier Permian. It grew up to 6 feet long and had a flail on its back supported by long bony spines.
The Permian period ended with a great mass extinction.
Scientists estimate that more than 95% of marine life and 70% of animals became extinct.
Thanks for watching Permian News.